The Adventures of V-Man, sponsored by Dherbs.com.
What's up, you guys? It's Vinnie with another Adventures of V-Man. Today, we are at Beverly Hills Hyperbaric Center. We are doing hyperbaric oxygen therapy. It's something I wanted to do for a really long time, and I'm super excited that we get to do it today. Let's go. Push this button. Nope, didn't work. And we're off. We're not off. So once we got to Beverly Hills Hyperbaric Center, so he showed us the hyperbaric chamber, which is essentially a glass tube. There's a bed that slides right in there, and there's some pillows, there's blankets, everything that you need to be comfortable in there. When you enter into the hyperbaric chamber, it kind of feels like when you take off on an airplane and you're climbing higher and higher, you have to pop your ears, you have to constantly pop them to adjust as you climb in altitude.
Well, around the United States, the most common use for hyperbaric oxygen therapy is wound healing, particularly problem wound healing. One thing hyperbarics does is stimulates the body's healing response. It also kills harmful pathogens. There's a lot of reasons used for wound healing, but here that's not mostly what we do. We mostly cater to cosmetic surgery, brain injury, Lyme disease, a lot of the what they call off-label indications for hyperbarics, where there's good medical efficacy, but for whatever reason, insurance doesn't pay for it.
It's really beneficial for your cells and your tissues, and it can actually reduce inflammation, help to fight cancerous cells from forming in the body, and repair tissues. So that helps you recover. They do have a lot of high-profile clientele at that center.
Oxygen under these pressures is a drug, and we dose it by pressure. So the greater the pressure, the more your body absorbs of oxygen. One of the things that does over a long period of time of hyperbaric therapy is stimulates the growth of new blood vessels, microvasculature, which is called angiogenesis. So over a period of time, the brain and other parts of your body actually get improved circulation. At the same time, it's flushing toxins out of your body with every treatment. It's killing harmful pathogens, and overall, as you said, boosting the immune system.
So unlike, let's say, an ice bath that I did in a previous video, it's not such an exciting therapy. You're actually very relaxed in the chamber. And they throw on Netflix for you. You can hear it in the chamber. It's awesome, but you don't necessarily feel it right away. But what Dr. Barry did explain to us is that even though you can't feel it necessarily, there's a lot happening internally that you're not going to notice, but you may notice later. So for instance, recovery is one of the major benefits of hyperbaric oxygen therapy. So let's say the body's stressed, you're going to need some help recovering, repairing those tissues and ligaments and muscle fibers. So that's what this therapy helps the body do.
For patients with Lyme disease, it can be as many as 40 treatments. In fact, the protocol out of Israel is 40 treatments done 5 days a week. But those who do the 40 treatment protocol can see complete relief of symptoms and a final die-off of the bacterium that's causing the infection, which is an anaerobic infection. And anaerobic infections are killed off by large amounts of oxygen. So it takes time, but about 40 to 60 treatments, we can see complete die-off of the bacterium, and the patient can go on living a normal life.
If you're in the need of a little TLC internally, then I highly recommend getting this therapy.
Hi, I'm Barry Jacobson, director and owner of the Beverly Hills Hyperbaric Center, located on South Beverly Drive between Pico and Olympic. We consider ourselves the oxygen spa to the stars. Look forward to seeing you here at some future date. Thanks
a lot for watching The Adventures of V-Man. If you do have any suggestions for me, please leave them in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I appreciate all the views. See you next time.